video, yan. Nanghuli kami ng tong-tong-tong-tong, pakitong-kitong. They're big. How many pounds? I don't know. And then we have oyster. For tonight's dinner, we're gonna do buttered oyster and boiled crabs. Kabata lang yung nabili namin. Walang ano, pero fresh na fresh pa naman yan. Malalaking oysters. Our buttered garlic oyster. I'm gonna put our oyster. And then stir fry while waiting for our crabs to cook. There you go. Ang oyster natin, okay na. Sarap niyan kung ano, no, yung fresh na fresh from the ocean. Hasta